gonna be honest, I never thought I'd film this video ever. Like, this is a video, like, I know, I'm like, this is a video, I can't even start a series on it because it's Florida. Welcome to Charlie's special edition, single-handedly football in the snow ever. Because this is the only video I'll ever make of it. Oh my God, this ball's covered, buddy. Buddy, I'm gonna catch this football, buddy. Oh, fuck. It's so snowy, I'm not used to it. It's so good out here, though. This video will probably come out in March, and y'all are gonna be like, is it snow in March? No, it's fucking January. Happy birthday to me. Let's go. Boo. They don't want to have to snap the ball. Gotta get ready for my Nander's next challenge. Oh, blindly caught that. Oh, touch it. Oh, I can't see. Woo! Anyway, boys, we have the GoPro. We have everything back. Welcome to chapter 7. First video ever in chapter 7. I can't believe I'm actually filming this video because it's a little snowy out here. So let's mess around with the snow today. Let's mess around with the snow. What are we gonna do? Try to see. Like, look at this, boys. Boys, this is my tee. Like 30 minutes ago, not even, is fully covered in snow. Which one? The big one's right over there. Yeah.
Those football cleats?
No, these are shoes.
You just got better. You're gonna do drills in the snow.
Yep. Ooh. Feel good, boys. We're out here in shorts too, so also got shorts on. So I'm probably not gonna roll my ankle out here in the snow though, so I don't even know what to do. Let's go grab the RC car. I'm gonna make a little cut and we'll redo some more.